Hi beautiful people, join me as I'm going to prepare chicken tortilla. Let's go there. I introduce my ketchup, I spread it. Go ahead and introduce mozzarella cheese. This is mixed cheese and sweet corn, so I introduce it, sweet corn and cheese. I come in with my other tortilla. Ketchup comes in. I spread it. I come in with my chicken breast with sweet mines mixed together. So I go ahead and introduce it. I'm going to introduce more corn and cheese to the top. This is corn and cheese. At this time, I'm going to bring in spring onions. Introduce a little bit of spring onions. See how beautiful it looks, giving delicious, yummicious vibe. I'm going to put it in the hot air for 8 minutes, 170 grams, 8 minutes, and it's ready. Ready. Shaking delicious tortilla. Oh, they shake. When it comes to tortilla, leave it for God's time is best. It is ready. I'll cut it now. Let's see how it looks. So guys, this is how it looks. Delicious chicken tortilla pizza. I'm going to cut it. So our delicious chicken tortilla pizza is ready. So delicious. So guys, I see you again on my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.